Exercise 2.5. Question number 7. If Z1, Z2 and Z3 are three complex numbers such that modulus of Z1 equal to 1, modulus of Z2 equal to 2, modulus of Z3 equal to 3 and modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal to 1, show that modulus of 9 Z1 Z2 plus 4 Z1 Z3 plus Z2 Z3 equal to 6. First, modulus of Z1 equal to 1. Squaring. Modulus of Z1 square equal to 1. We know modulus of Z square is Z into Z bar. So this modulus of Z1 square is Z1 bar equal to 1. So implies Z1 equal to 1 by Z1 bar. Similarly, modulus of Z2 equal to 2, squaring on both sides. Modulus of Z2 square equal to 4. Z2 bar equal to 4. Z2 equal to 4 by Z2 bar. Modulus of Z3 equal to 3. Modulus of Z3 square equal to 9. Z3 bar equal to 9. Z3 equal to 9 by Z3 bar. And also you are given modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal to 1. Having all this, now to prove this, consider left hand side. LHS equal to modulus 9 Z1 Z2 plus 4 Z1 Z3 plus Z2 Z3. Substitute for Z1 Z2 Z3 these values. So this is modulus 9 1 by Z1 bar 4 by Z2 bar plus 4 1 by Z1 bar 9 by Z3 bar plus 4 by Z2 bar 9 by Z3 bar. Here 4 into 9 36. Modulus 36 by Z1 bar Z2 bar plus 36 by Z1 bar Z3 bar plus 36 by Z2 bar Z3 bar. Numerator 36 is common. So take 36 outside. Taking LCM. LCM is Z1 bar, Z2 bar, Z3 bar. So இங்க நமக்கு Z3 bar இல்லை. So அதனால Z3 bar plus Z2 bar plus Z1 bar. 36. The whole modulus can be written as modulus of numerator by modulus of denominator. So modulus of Z1 bar plus Z2 bar plus Z3 bar divided by modulus of Z1 bar, Z2 bar, Z3 bar. Again, from the properties of complex numbers, conjugate of complex numbers, this can be written as 36 modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 whole bar. Again, this denominator is modulus of Z1 bar, modulus of Z2 bar, modulus of Z3 bar. And we know modulus of Z bar equal to modulus of Z. Therefore, this can be written as 36 modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 by modulus of Z1, modulus of Z2, modulus of Z3. Substituting the values, 36, this is equal to 1. 1 divided by, substituting these values 1, 2 and 3. Get 1 into 2 into 3. That is 36 divided by 6, cancelling 6. That is right hand side, RHS. Yes, therefore modulus of 9 Z1 Z2 plus 4 z1 z3 plus z2 z3 equal to 6. Hence proved.